Welcome to my woodworking workshop on my YouTube channel Sanket Carpenter. My name is Sanket. I am a carpenter and interior decorator. Yesterday on 20th December 2017 I built this shop. It is the smallest and shortest workshop I have right now. In the left corner near the entrance I have made shelves for jointing materials, polishing materials and machine tools. Then we move ahead to the workbench. Its sizes are 42 inches by 19 inches by 34 inches. Mainly use this table for making drawing, writing and for small projects of woodworking. Under the workbench table fitted my drill press stand. Buy from an online store. Above the workbench made a wall mounted hand tool holder for easy to use. This is the scrap pieces of mica sheet, ACP sheet and acrylic sheet. Above the scrap area I keep my toolbox. Mostly use this box for outdoor work. So guys, hopefully you like this video. Please share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Give us a thumbs up for your appreciation. Thanks for watching and please leave the comments below so I can improve my workshop. We will meet in my next video of my story. Till then, goodbye.